expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Bosque County and central Texas, west central Hill County and central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. In Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Meridian, or 9 miles northwest of Clifton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Source: rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Left and 2 p.m. Sun protection will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Bosque and west central